I leave this post with a full heart, with enduring hope and respect for the department, for our country, and for the bagong Pilipinas that we are all striving to build. I am deeply grateful to President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. for entrusting this leadership of DPWH to someone who will continue to uphold the principles of efficiency, transparency, and accountability in public service. As we welcome Secretary Vince Dizon, we recognize the immense challenges ahead, challenges that have long tested the department. But I am confident that with your continued dedication, professionalism, and unity, we can meet this head-on. I am turning over the reins of leadership to someone who may not be a police general, but whom I know to be a firm, decisive, and disciplined leader. Ika nga nila, isang tunay na disiplina sa publiko. Under his leadership, I know he will continue to build better and build more, not just stronger infrastructure, but more meaningful and transformative projects that will uplift communities across the country. Alam ko, hindi madali ang hamon at hinaharap ng ating kagawaran. I know it is a rough road ahead, but also I know the strength, talent, and the heart that lives in this institution. I have faith that you will rise above these challenges as you always have.